So now I'm going to create my project from the very beginning, and I'm going to video course here and get clip bin, for example, here one file that I created recording my desktop. Okay, and then I just drag this over the timeline, and I've been asked which size the video should be, and then I say 1280 or 720, so it's 69. It's okay. Okay, here. So what I'm gonna do, you see here, I have to increase the size at least to cover all this part. Okay, I have to pay attention that there are no other parts like this. You see, this shows me that the video gets beyond the canvas, so I have to make it a bit smaller. Here you can see, and here as well, and I'm inside. Okay, then I'm done with this. So that's very important that I'm using here. So in the canvas you use this. Okay, then the second, I want to add, for example, some music. I'm gonna take from the library here over full song. I'm gonna, sorry, and then I say this add to timeline and play at. Okay, I add this, right click, add timeline, and I have this here. I put it at the very beginning. You know, I reduce the size of the timeline. I mean, I zoom the timeline. Okay, now for example, I want to this video. If I'm gonna select this area, I'm gonna increase the audio here. Okay, and I'm going to reduce that. Well, I can say also, instead of using this one, I can use, for example, import media. Then I'm gonna use one video that I created before. Okay, I'm going to my video. I put this in track 1. Okay, and now if I'm going to this, I have two sounds overlapped. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, for example, I want this at the end of my video, my first, at the beginning of my video. Then here I want the song. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I will show you what's going on. My green cursor is going to this point. I want from this point until this point. I'm gonna click here on previous clip. I'm going to move until here, to this point. Okay, if I click over previous clip or step forward, you know, next clip or please step forward or step backward or step forward again. Okay, I move from one point to the other one. Okay, or I'm going to the beginning of the clip. And here I want to say, I want to increase this volume. I want to have the volume of the audio a bit lower. So I'm gonna lock this, and I click on audio, and then I say volume down. Okay, now I'm gonna play, and then you will hear the effect. I just increase a bit the audio to make you on.
I have to know that if you cannot deliver your message, you cannot.
So maybe the audio and the music is still up. That what I'm gonna do is gonna volume down.
First of all, we have to know what a video text library is, and to compare that to the classic text.
And I can say I want my voiceover a bit louder than I lock this time the song. I'm gonna unlock my video. I'm gonna click on volume up in this area. I click here on previous clip.
First of all, we have to know what a video text library is, and to compare that to the classic text says letter. To know that a video says letter is a says letter that includes.
Okay, so I can use this, or even, I can also say I have this video below. I'm gonna click over this part and this part. Sorry, I will completely silence my audio. I'm gonna import okay, I'm gonna click here, and then I have two audios. I put this audio here. Oops. Okay. And then here we are. It's the same audio of this video, but this audio I elaborated with another tool that I will show you by the name of Audacity. And now, so without noise, you can hear.
First of all, we have to know what a video says letter is, and to compare that to the classic text says letter. To know that.
So I have removed the original audio from the video. I added some soundtrack, and I added my audio that is now have been edited to remove the noise, and I have a basic effect. So you can see here, you can do very professional videos with amazing audios, okay, for your videos, okay.